Are faceless TikToks and Reels really making money in the USA in 2026? Today I'm testing AI video generators to see if they can create viral, monetizable content without ever showing your face. Faceless content is exploding right now in the USA. From motivational clips to trending memes, creators are cashing in. But the big question is, can AI tools actually deliver videos professional enough to monetize? I tested 3 popular AI video generators. Pictory AI focuses on text-to-video, perfect for quotes and storytelling. InVideo AI adds stock footage and voiceovers automatically. Synthesia AI creates vertical formats optimized for TikTok and Reels in the USA. Each one produced faceless videos in under 5 minutes. No camera, no editing skills required. The results? Surprisingly good. These AI tools generated smooth transitions, captions, and even royalty-free music. The videos meet TikTok and Instagram's monetization standards in the USA, meaning you can actually earn ad revenue and brand deals with them.